morning. Good morning. God bless you. Listen, I just wanted to stop by and I wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas. A very Merry Christmas. I hope you and your family just enjoy each other and just have a blessed day. Remember this, Jesus is the reason for the season. He is absolutely the reason for the season. Now, he's not, we don't know when he was actually born. We don't know, okay? But this is something that we do know. He was born. That's what we celebrate. We are ecstatic that he came for us. He is the best gift that anybody could ever have. The greatest gift, the best gift. All we have to do is accept him. That's all we have to do. That's all I'm asking you to do on this great start today. Church is open tomorrow, okay? And you're more than welcome to come to Word Assembly Antioch, 611 West 9th Street in Antioch, California. We start, our worship service begins at 9 a.m. We are in, we are out. Amen? But we're celebrating Jesus constantly. So have the best Christmas ever, but put on your mind to worship him, to accept him, to thank him for all he's done. Have a blessed day. Love you.